Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad that you are here, or if you are new, of course that is possible too. Welcome. On my channel you will find a lot of art related stuff, but I also love fitness and food. In this video I am going to show you what I eat in a day. I'm eating more like a vegan because I cut out dairy 2 years ago completely because of a cow's milk allergy. And then I stumbled into this journey of finding out what is really healthy for my body. So if you want a video about why I am going vegan, I can for sure film that, but I think it will be too long of an intro or too long of a video. But give me a thumbs up and let's head into the food. Almost every single morning I start out with eating oats because I really like how filling it is, how diverse it is. You can add banana, blueberries, or some frozen raspberries. I also always add some raisins and some cinnamon. The funny thing is I don't use any kind of dairy or substitute for that. I just use hot water. It's very quick and easy. I always finish it off with some shredded coconut. The extra vitamins that I take are these from doTERRA, Zendocrine. It is for your digestive system and also for getting out those toxins. And I take some vitamin D. I like to sip on lemon water. I just use 1 slice of lemon and it lasts the whole day. The books that I'm currently reading in the morning are You Are a Badass, an amazing book, and the Bible. I like to sit in my favorite place of the house, this corner, read a book and eat my breakfast. Next up we are getting ready for lunch, and most of the times I eat avocado on toast with some sriracha sauce. Very spicy, but so delicious. And I love myself some hummus. Put hummus on everything, people, because it's so good. This is a very spicy hummus. Then I added some cucumbers and some black pepper. Black pepper helps to digest your food better, I thought, or to take in all of that good stuff that is in the food. I put it on most of my sandwiches as well, and I was still hungry, so I made another sandwich with hummus. Now let's head into dinner. I loved this chicory salad. So these are the ingredients I will be using. First of all, I didn't even know what this was called, but it's called chicory, if I pronounce it right. Correct me if I'm wrong. Apple, lime juice or lemon juice, some raisins and walnuts, olive oil, some spring onions, and salt and pepper. My mom used to make this with feta cheese, but of course we will leave that out for now. We did just buy this nutritional yeast and we never ate it before, so this is vegan and has kind of a cheesy flavor, I've been told, so I wonder if it would be nice with this, but we'll see. So of course we start out with cutting the chicory. I always cut out the hearts of the chicory. Put it in a big bowl and go on with your apple. I used 2 really big apples for this because I really like that sweet flavor. Just slice it up in little pieces. And then I went on with the spring onions, added walnuts, olive oil, and raisins. For that sour flavor, I added some lemon juice. And for that extra sweet tooth, I added some syrup. Mix it all together in a really big bowl and your salad is done. Dinner is served. So this is a chicory salad with apple, and we also have some olive bread with hummus because I can't live without hummus. I eat hummus on everything. Pizza, bread, what else? Pasta, everything, I guess. I really wonder how this is going to taste, so let's dig in. I told you about the nutritional yeast, so we are going to try it. I wonder if it really tastes like cheese. I don't know how much to put on it, but okay. Here we go. It smells like cheese that has been in the toaster for too long, or in the toasty maker. Do you call that? No, cheese sandwich. Yeah. It's not that strong. I don't taste it that much. It's not very... I like it. It's not very out there. Not very, very cheesy. Cheesy. But yeah, it's pretty good. Put some more on it. Okay, try it, honey.
Well.
Oh. And it's not very opaque, I want to say, but that's not the word. You know the word.
I don't really taste it at all.
No, not at all. We put a little bit in there.
I guess you put it on like a big slice of apple, so then I just taste apple.
Sorry. I am all about second dinner. What about you? Do you know that phrase? What about second breakfast? I really hoped you liked this video. It was a bit weird at the ending because, yeah, we didn't plan on eating a second dinner, but this often occurs after I work out. So, yeah, I hoped you liked it, and give it a thumbs up if you did. If you like these kind of videos, motivational, about mental health, physical health, but also if you like to make things like bullet journaling, this is the channel you want to stay tuned into. So please subscribe if you haven't already, and I hope to see you next time. Bye bye!